Good morning, students. In the last period, we have seen about the solution and the various types of the solutions. In that, we have discussed about the capacity of solution to dissolve the solute. Means how the solution is formed. We know that the solution is nothing but when there are the two components in that is solvent, solute plus solvent. It gives the solution. Then the capacity of solution to dissolve the solute. Solute म्हणजे काय? तर जो घटक dissolve होतो into the solvent, that is called as the solute. And the component in which solute dissolves, that is called as the solvent. There are the various solvents, for example, water, benzene, toluene, carbon tetrachloride. These are the various solvents of outside, but most of time, the water is the universal solvent. Because so many substances will dissolve into the water. म्हणून वॉटर हा एक महत्त्वाचा कंपोनंट किंवा सॉल्व्हंट हा म्हणून त्या ठिकाणी यूज केला. And that the saturated solution and the supersaturated solution also we have discussed in the last period. Now today we will see about the solubility. The solubility of the solute is its amount per unit volume of saturated solution at a specific temperature. Solubility of a solute is its amount per unit volume of a saturated solution at its temperature. एका विशिष्ट तापमानावरती जे काही अमाउंट त्या सोल्युशन असणारं जे सोल्यूटचं जे अमाउंट जे आहे पर युनिट वॉल्यूम डिसॉल्व होतं, that is called as the solubility of that solute. The solubility of the solute is its maximum concentration and expressed into the concentration in its mole per liter. Its unit is mole per liter. Concentration चं युनिट काय? मोल. Volume चं युनिट काय आहे? लिटर. Hence the solubility unit is mole per liter. The various factors which affect the solubility, the extent to which the substance dissolved in the solvent varies greatly with the different substances. It depends upon the nature of the solute and the solvent, temperature and the pressure. म्हणजे एखादा सोल्यूट त्या डिसॉल्व सोल्युशन मध्ये किंवा सॉल्व्हंट मध्ये डिसॉल्व होत असताना वेगवेगळ्या घटकांचा त्याच्यावरती परिणाम होतो. In that the nature of the solute, nature of solute, nature of solvent, temperature, pressure, these are the factors which affect the solubility. In the nature of solute and the solvent, generally the compounds similar chemical character are more readily soluble in each other than those with entirely different chemical characters. The saying that the light dissolves like guides to predict the solubility of solute in the given solvent. म्हणजे सोल्यूट आणि सॉल्व्हंटचे जर कॅरेक्टर्स जर सेम असतील तर ते इझिली डिझॉल्व होत असतात. दे लाइक्स इच अदर. दे लाइक्स इच अदर. Thus the substances having the similar intermolecular force of are likely to be soluble in the polar solvents. This is because in these solute solvent and solvent solvent interactions are all of similar magnitude. For example, you can say that the sodium chloride dissolves in water. The strong and dipole interaction of sodium and the chlorine and with water molecules, hydrogen bonding between the water molecules and ion and attraction between the sodium and chloride ions are comparable. Non-polar organic compounds like cholesterol dissolves in the non-polar solvent such as benzene. म्हणजे ज्यांचे कॅरेक्टर्स सारखे आहेत. आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल आपण सहजगत्या डिझॉल्व होणारे आता एक्झाम्पल दिल्याप्रमाणे किंवा सोडियम क्लोराईड हा जो आहे NaCl, it gives the Na plus and the Cl minus ions. It dissolves into the water. Easily dissolve into the water. As well as the cholesterol and the non-polar solvent, the benzene. It dissolves, cholesterol dissolves into the benzene. Readily dissolves into the benzene. म्हणजे त्यांचे जे काही कॅरेक्टर्स जे आहेत हे जर सिमिलर कॅरेक्टर्स असतील, लाईक्स असतील, at that time they will dissolve easily into it. त्यांचं नेचर सारखं असतं. Sugar dissolves in the water. The dissolution of sugar in water is due to the intermolecular hydrogen bonding between the sugar and the water. साखर हे पाण्यामध्ये विरघळते जे आपल्याला लक्षात येतं त्याचं कारण काय? त्याच्यामध्ये असणारं साखरेमध्ये आणि वॉटरमध्ये असणारं जे काही हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंगचं इंटरमॉलिक्युलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रॅक्शनचं बॉन्डिंगचं जे आहे त्याच्यामुळे साखर ही पाण्यामध्ये ही इझिली डिझॉल्व होत असते आपल्याला. दॅट इज द नेचर ऑफ सोल्यूट अँड द सॉल्व्हेंट. The effect of temperature, another factor which affect the solubility, effect of temperature on the solubility. Sometimes we can say that सहजगत्या एखादा पदार्थ पाण्यामध्ये विरघळत असतो. It doesn't dissolve into the water easily. But when you are giving the external heat to that, at that time it will be dissolved. Means the temperature affect the solubility. म्हणजे टेम्परेचर जो आहे हा जो एक्सटर्नल फॅक्टर जो आहे इट इफेक्ट द सोल्युबिलिटी. त्याच्या सोल्युबिलिटीवरती हा परिणाम करणारा घटक आपल्याला असलेला आहे. हाऊ द सोल्युबिलिटी ऑफ द सबस्टन्स changes with the temperature depends on the enthalpy of the solution. Many solutes, for example, you can say that the KCl dissolves in water by endothermic process, that is with the absorption of the heat. When temperature is increased by adding heat to the system, the solubility of the substance increases according to the Rjcl principle. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस एखादा पदार्थाला एक्सटर्नल हीट दिल्यानंतर इट विल absorb it gains the heat. That is nothing but it is the Rjcl principle. As the temperature increases, the solubility जी आहे ही इन्क्रीज होत असलेली आपल्याला आढळून येते. पोटॅशियम क्लोराईड KCl चा एक्झाम्पल जर घेतला तर when potassium chloride KCl is dissolved into the water at that time when we are giving the heat to this, it absorbs the heat. तो heat external heat and the solubility. Due to the temperature, the solubility increases. Addition of heat causes the space on the saturated solution, and this space favors the endothermic process. Endothermic and exothermic process. What's meant by the endothermic? It gains the heat, it absorbs the heat, and exothermic it relieves the heat. it उत्सर्जित करते. Endothermic and exothermic. Gain heat and it releases heat. एक्सोथर्मिक मध्ये आपल्याला माहिती आहे की एंडोथर्मिक आणि एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन म्हणजे काय हो. एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन इट गेन्स द हीट, एक्सटर्नल हीट तो मिळवत असतो, घेत असतो. आणि एक्सोथर्मिक मध्ये इट रिलीजेस द हीट ही उत्सर्जित होते, बाहेर पडते. On the other hand, when the substance dissolves in the water by an exothermic process, its solubility decreases with the an increase of temperature. The substances such as the calcium chloride and Li2SO4 H2O dissolves in water, releasing the heat. But आता कॅल्शियम क्लोराइड आणि पाणी त्याच्यामध्ये टाकल्यानंतर काय होतं, मग हीट ही बाहेर पडते, बट इट डिझॉल्व्स इनटू द वॉटर. म्हणजे समटाइम्स इट विल in case of the exothermic reaction, in exothermic process, the heat is releasing and it will be dissolving. म्हणजे दोन्ही बाजू आपल्याला या ठिकाणी पाहतात. This is the it is important to understand that there is no direct correlation between solubility and the exothermally or endothermally. म्हणजे आता आपण दोन्ही एक्झाम्पल पाहिले की बाबा कॅल्शियम क्लोराइड केसीएलला आणि हे सोल्युट सॉल्व्हंट त्याला हे दिली की सोल्युबिलिटी वाढते. कॅल्शियम क्लोराइड आणि पाणी ते एकत्र केलं की हीट रिलीज होते, तरी सोल्युबिलिटी means endothermally and exothermally there is no correlationship between these two and the solubility. Solubility आणि यांच्या मध्ये कोरिलेशनशिप नाही. दोन्ही पद्धतीनं ही सोल्युबिलिटी ही कमी असते by gaining or by losing. Then effect of the pressure on the solubility. Pressure has no effect on the solubilities of solids and liquids as they are incompressible. Incompressible means what? Gas is compressible. When you are applying the external pressure at that time, by applying pressure, the gases converts into the liquid. That will be that compressible. But the solids and the liquids, solid and liquid, these are not compressible, they are incompressible. There is no effect on the pressure का effect solid and liquid मध्ये जास्त होत नाही, but it will affect on the pressure has no effect on the solubilities of the solids and the liquids, but it affects on the gases because gases are the compressible. Gases are compressible. आपण त्यांच्या सॉलिड लिक्विड आणि गॅसेसच्या प्रॉपर्टीज पाहत असताना आपण पाहिलं गॅसेस वरती एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर अप्लाय केल्यानंतर ते कॉम्प्रेस होतं. परंतु आता सॉलिड असेल, आता एखादं हे इंडस्ट्री दिस इज द when I apply the pressure on these things it will crack, परंतु it doesn't compress. It doesn't compress. Means on the solubility of the solids and the liquids it doesn't. It no make any effect in case of the solubilities of the liquids and the solids. But there is the effect on the solubility of the gases. However, pressure directly affects solubility of gases in liquids. The solubility of gases increases with increasing pressure. The quantitative relationship between the gas solubility in liquid and the pressure is given by the Henry's law. गैस इन याच्यावरती या प्रेशरचा इफेक्ट होत असलेला या सॉल्युबिलिटीवरती त्यांचा इफेक्ट होत असलेला and that relationship is given by the Henry's law. What's the Henry's law says that? It states that the solubility of the gas in liquid is directly proportional to the pressure of the gas over the solution. Suppose that S is the solubility and the P is the pressure. The solubility of the gas is directly proportional to the pressure. S is directly proportional to the pressure. That is, S is equal KH into the P, where KH is the proportionality constant of the solubility constant. Where S is the solubility of the gas in mole per liter, pressure is P is the pressure of the gas, and KH is the proportionality constant, which is called as the Henry's constant. Means this is the Henry's law. Henry's law. There is a direct relation between the solubility and the pressure. This law states that the solubility of the gas in liquid is directly proportional to the pressure of a gas overall the solution. म्हणजे as the pressure increases, the solubility of the gas in liquid increases. It is directly proportional. म्हणून this effect of pressure on the solubility is according to the Henry's law. This pressure doesn't affect on the solubility of the solids and the liquids, but affect on the gases. It affects on the gases. As the pressure increases, the solubility will increase. Suppose that S is the solubility and the P is the pressure of the gas in liquid solution. At that time, S is directly proportional to pressure. Means this, as the pressure increases, the solubility increases. That is the statement of the Henry's law. Gases like NH3, CO2 do not obey the Henry's law because that these gases react with water. Because of these reactions, NH3 and CO2 gas have a higher solubility than the expected by the Henry's law. म्हणजे अमोनिया आणि कार्बन डायऑक्साइड do not obey this Henry's law. Correct? These reactions of the gases have higher solubilities than expected by the Henry's law. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी आपल्याला हे जे फॅक्टर्स जे आहेत, the factors which affect the solubility, these are like this. First one is the nature of the solute. Second one, nature of solvent, temperature and the pressure. These are the factors which affect the solubility. And that the Henry's law. आपल्याला परीक्षेमध्ये प्रश्न state and explain the Henry's law असा विचारला होता. So at that time, you write the statement of the Henry's law. That is, it states that the solubility of the gas in liquid is directly proportional to the pressure at a given of a gas over the solution. This statement आपल्याला करायचं आहे. Okay? अशा पद्धतीने हे या solubility. These are the factors which affect the solubility. Now, जसे की आपण आता सुरुवातीला पाहिले किंवा सोल्युशन, टाइप्स ऑफ सोल्युशन, सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन, सुपर सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन, solubility, factors affecting the solubility, असे वेगवेगळे फॅक्टर्स जे आहेत हे या ठिकाणी आपल्याला पाहायला. Now then we'll continue tomorrow with the Roots law and the ideal and non-ideal solutions in the next.